The momentum is faded. What's going on and where is the bottom for the Bitcoin? Let me explain, guys. Previously, Bitcoin hit the support area at 72.5K, and after that, it bounced about 3%. Now, the momentum of this swing reversal is faded, and to be honest, there is a high probability of a decrease from the current price. If we talk about the RSI, you know this interesting fact, when Bitcoin previously was in the oversold area, for example, right here or right here, Bitcoin here bounced approximately 12%, and here Bitcoin bounced approximately 6%, which mean that the size of the bounce was at least approximately 5%. But now Bitcoin bounced for 3% if we count from the swing minimum to the swing maximum, which means that Bitcoin now is feeling weak. Okay, and what should we do now? Long or maybe short? On the one hand, Bitcoin has already bounced from the support level, and now it's too late, in my opinion, to connect to this current movement. And also, this bounce looks like it's done. Now, relying on these facts, I do not want to long here, but what about short? On the other hand, short now isn't correct in my opinion, because Bitcoin is trading near the oversold area right here, and also it's trading at a low price. And I'm not denying that Bitcoin can go down, but you know that there are not enough factors to fire a position right here on either side, neither short nor long. Now I'm waiting a clear signal and a clear reasonable picture where we can enter, but at the same time I see next entry points where I can fire some traders. The first one is the resistance level at 75K right here, because it is a round and confirmed resistance and support level at the history. Ideally, a false break of the resistance to shake out the weak hands who put their stop losses above the recent high at 75K. And after that, a fall toward the support level at 72K, and after that, toward the next support level at 70K, to the next specific support level. Hence, the first possible scenario where I will fire a trade at a false break right here of the resistance level, or near this specific resistance level at 75K. The second one, if something goes wrong, I will fire a short trade near the resistance area, specific resistance area at 80K. It is specific resistance, to be precise, it is specific resistance area at 7980K right here. If Bitcoin hit this specific resistance area, because price previously confirmed this level previously, and also the price broke below this resistance, this support level, but hasn't touched this level as a resistance level, here I will be fire a short trade if Bitcoin hits this specific resistance level. So now we figured out the entry points, but what about the price action? We realize that it is pretty hard to build a prognosis now on the one hand, because on the one hand, Bitcoin is trading in the oversold area on the 4-hour time frame, near the oversold area to be precise, which means that short here is not a reasonable decision. But on the other hand, Bitcoin has already bounced from the support level about 3%. And the momentum is faded. On top of that, the bounce is faded, and also an unreasonable decision. In my opinion, it is an unreasonable decision to enter long here. You feel me? That is why I'm waiting for a reasonable picture. If the current situation is pretty hard, the best way, in my opinion, is to wait. I said about the entry points which will work, in my opinion. Thanks guys for your watching. See you later. Bye bye. No financial advice, just my take, just my view. Thank you guys. See you later, and have a good day.